Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello all signs. So, checking ngayon, ng emosyon ni person mo. Yung taong iniisip mo. Emosyon niya ngayong week, papunta sa'yo, pagdating sa'yo. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po, pwede tayong lumapit. Okay? And yung ating mga items is available. Yung ating mga protection from evil eye. Ito yung ating ring. Ito yung ating necklace. Yan, ito siya. Okay? So, hindi ko na-flex nung mga nakaraang video. So, flex ko today. Flex ko ngayon dito sa video natin na to. So, ito yung dalawang bracelets. Isang garterized and isang adjustable. Yung adjustable available po sa red strings. Okay? Ito yung merong initial. Initial po ng magmamayari po ha. Ilalagay namin. And, pagdating sa love, si love bracelet yung aking pwedeng i-recommend. Anything about love, anything about connection. So, ito yung pwede. And, yung ating granter necklace. So, taga-grant na mga minamanifest, taga-bigay ng mga surprises. Okay? And, syempre, yung ating pang-cord cutting. So, para hindi na humaba, kung meron pang mga ibang katanungan, message na lang po ha sa akin pong FB page para sa ibang details. And syempre, be aware po ha, ang daming scammers ha, ang daming gumagaya ng ating page. Okay, so pinost ko naman yun nung nakaraan. So be aware, be careful sa pakikipag-transact. Okay, so yeah. And yung ating second YouTube channel po ha. Kung kayo ay may oras, inyong bisitahin, mga ganyan ba. Love letter, yung pangalan, nasa description box below. Yung kanya pong, tawag dyan, link. Okay. So, let's start. Tingnan natin yung emosyon. Okay, emosyon ng tao na iniisip mo ngayong week pagdating sa iyo. You can check your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. So, tinuruan ko na kayo kung paano makukuha yun sa Google. Merong calculator ng birth charts, no? So, pwede doon. So, let's see. First is Aries placements. Aries placements. Sino tong taong to? Sino ito? Okay. The Lovers. Pwedeng Gemini. What's with that Lovers? The Five of Pentacles. So, pwedeng kakonect mo ngayon. Some of you, ito yung bigay ni universe sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung nandyan na yan or pwedeng ibibigay pa lang to. Some of you, nagkaroon kayong on-off ng taong to. This is a strong connection though. Strong connection. Andun yung needs. Okay? Pagdating dito sa connection or sa taong to. The word needs. Ano emotion niya? Let's see. What's their emotion? Ten of Wands inversed. Why? Three of Wands. Oh. Aries, meron akong ibang energy na nakukuha dito ha. Kung ikaw ay single at nanonood ka lang, no? Kailangan mong i-surrender yung pagiging needy mo pagdating sa mga connection, pagdating sa love. Kasi parating na. You have to surrender. Parating na, ready na. Ang gusto lang ni universe na mangyari is ialisin mo yung pagiging needy mo pagdating sa love. Kasi hindi makapasok itong ibibigay sa'yo. I think this is, sabihin natin nasa lower frequency, lower vibe. Kung ikaw itong nagiging needy, nasa lower vibration ka. So, sayang to. Okay? So, ibang message yung ibinigay dito, ha? Pero, kunin mo yun. Gawin mong gabay. Kung ganun nga ang nangyari sa'yo ngayon. Kung ikaw itong ganto sa kanya, nagiging needy ka. Okay? Kasi meron ditong kanina, meron ditong death. Okay, pwedeng pinapakita hindi ka pa rin nakaka-move on. So, may nangyaring separation sa iba sa inyo. Gusto mo nang pakikipagbalikan sa kanya. Drop it. Surrender it. Hindi mangyayari yung gusto mo. Kung ikaw itong pipilit mo, minamanifest mo, kung ano man ang gusto mong mangyari sa inyo, whatsoever. You have to surrender it muna. Okay? So, kung ikaw, itong taong to, ang feelings nila for you, they're like expecting something. Yeah. Ang ginagawa niya parang ganun rin eh. Kung sino man to, kung merong nangyaring separation sa inyo, they're just waiting, surrendering. Kung ano man ang meron. Okay? Kasi parang lalong mahihirapan eh. Kung merong ipipilit at kung merong parang tawag dyan, mamadaliin. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, could be dealing with a fellow fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. We have here Gemini and the Earth sign. Okay? So, yeah. Ayaw ng taong to, ito kung ikaw, yes, ka-connect niya sa ngayon, ayaw nito na andyan yung struggle, andyan yung drama, ayaw niya nun. Gusto niya na kayo ay nagkakaintindihan, malawak ang pag-unawa sa isa't isa, maybe inuunawa ka rin ng tao. Okay? Nagiging malawak siya pagdating sa'yo. Ang daming energies na nakuha dito para sa'yo, Aries, so sana meron kang naka-resonate ka sa isa doon, nawa. No? Kasi, yeah. So, there. Next. Taurus placements. Let's see your person's emotion. Your person's emotion this week. Pagdating sa'yo, Taurus. Who is this person? Okay. A workaholic. Number 1. Workaholic. Pwedeng same earth sign like you. What's with that? Oh. Pwede may distansya sa inyong dalawa. Some of you, this is somebody na pwedeng into you. Okay? Pero hindi ko nakikita na itong taong ito is, the Emperor Universe. Gumagawa ng hakbang papunta sa'yo. I'm getting this energy na pwedeng nasa small circle lang kayo ng taong to. May specific ako nakikita rito. Iba sa kanila lumayo to work sa ibang lugar nga. Lumayo sa connection. Parang ganyan. Some of them, andyan yung energy about being masipag. I don't know kung siya yung masipag or ikaw, Taurus. What is their emotion right now? Let's see. The 9 of Pentacles. Focusing on their stability. Yeah. They're attracted. They like you. King of Swords. In reversed. Yeah. Some of you, mutual yung feelings ninyo sa isa't isa. Kung gusto mo siya, gusto ka rin niya. Yeah. Hindi lang masyadong pinapakita ng taong to. They're acting like, single rin. Some of them, no? Acting single or parang free. Parang ganyan. Parang walang pake. Parang ganyan. Okay? Some of them, may pagka-nonchalant. Yeah. May pagka-suplado-suplada. Ganun ang parang ipinapakita or ipapakita nito sa'yo by next week. Kung kayo ay magkikita man. Pero yung ways, maybe kung nakikipag-communicate siya sa'yo, they will act like distant, cold. Parang ganyan. Pero they like you. They like you. Yeah, the Tower. I don't know why. King of Pentacles in reversed. Pwede kasing mas importante sa kanya ngayon yung career, trabaho niya, pera niya. Parang ganun. Okay? Meron pa ako nakakuha. Balik ko. Some of you, nagkaroon kayo ng i-workout ninyo yung situation and then after, aalis ulit. Workout, alis. Workout, alis. Parang ganyan. Emotion ito, they're a non-committal, they're a liar. Yeah, they're a liar. Could be an Aquarius. Earth and water. Okay? So next, Gemini. Gemini, hi. Emotion ni person mo ngayong week for you. Let's see. Sino ba ito? Gemini. Who is this person? Attractive. Number 1, attractive. Physically attractive. Fit, maybe. Kung ano man ang gender niya. Yeah. Ooh, may nakita ako death. Some of you, pwedeng single siya ngayon kasi nakipag-separate siya sa'yo. Or may separation kayo ngayon. Okay, what's with this 9 of Pentacles? Ang ganda naman ito, Gemini. Ang ganda, ang pogi. Yeah. Physically attractive. Ang lakas ng charisma nito, Gemini. Sino ito? Somebody is like, independent. Yung energy niya is independent. Nasa higher vibration itong taong to. Some of them, may chance na pwedeng model, mga ganyan. Okay? Attractive in general. Attractive. Independent. Anyway. So, anong feelings nito for you? There's big attraction here. That's their feelings. Pwede ito yung taong gusto mo. Pero single siya. Okay. May chance na single. May ang tawag dyan? Suplado or suplada. Parang ganyan. Feelings. 10 of Wands. Why? The Lovers. Ikaw ba gumagawa ng effort dito, Gemini? They're trying to avoid you. If they will. They will try to avoid you. Hindi nito kailangan ng ng connection or manliligaw or whatsoever na connection. Yeah. Some of you, Gemini, I'm hearing this. No label pero may sex nga. No label tas may sex. Yeah. You're fantasizing or maybe they're fantasizing you. Sexually. Yes. This is you, the Lovers. Some of them, pwedeng gusto mo siya or gusto mo siya or gusto ka niya. Merong magpo-pursue by next week. Maybe. Yeah, see? Yung death. Lumabas ulit. I think this is someone new, I think. Yeah. Pwedeng ito ay mangyayari pa lang kung hindi man kakilala mo, pwedeng mangyayari pa lang. Darating pa lang. Some of you, I'm seeing another person here sa ilalim. Pwedeng you're already in a connection na. Pwedeng another person to na may involve. And the Ace of Swords is here. Maybe saying, wag mo nang gawin. End mo na agad if ever. Yes, I don't know why. Pwedeng maging burden, pabigat, whatsoever. Na? Okay. Kung ikaw, meron ngang someone. Okay, next, Cancer. Cancerians. Anong emotion? Feelings. ng tao sa'yo na iniisip mo ngayong week, Cancer. Sino ba tong taong to? Anong meron sa kanya? Ano ba yan? Ayaw. The Six of Wands. Some of them, pwedeng maraming humahanga sa kanya. People look at them like mataas ang tingin, like that. Nakikita to ng ibang tao, I think. Some of them, I don't know kung ito ay content creator, something like that. Content creator, nakikita ng ibang tao, like that. Or meron lang talaga sa kanya na parang victory or success na nangyayari sa kanya ngayon. Whether you know it or hindi. Okay, what's with the Six of Wands? The Queen of Pentacles. Could be a mother figure or father figure. They're breadwinner, I think. Cancer, they're breadwinner. They're kind. Generous. Open. Anong meron? So, walang sinasabi dito kung kayo ay break or what. Anong meron? Emotion sa'yo? Yeah, ito yung nakita ko kanina. Si Page of Wands. So, pwede may mag-start. Yeah. What's with that Page of Wands? So, this is attraction. Flirt. Okay. The Knight of Pentacles. So slow. Now the star is here. So emotion, walang masyado ako nakikita rito. They want to, sabihin natin give you they want to give you attention rin, pero some of them, they're too busy. You're in their mind. Yeah, you're in their mind. Yeah, meron ditong parang, hindi ko alam kung harang sa inyo, dahilan para, kunyari, parang meron ditong energetically harang pagdating sa inyong dalawa. They're becoming bored. Some of them, they're waiting na ikaw yung gumawa ng something pagdating sa kanila. Because yung iba nga, yung nakukuha kong energy sa taong ito is sila yung sanay na nabibigyan ng attention. Sila yung sanay. Yes. Okay, and they're too busy. They're waiting. Wala silang gagawin. They're open to communicate, to flirt. Yes. Pero the Knight of Pentacles, wala silang action. They're just waiting. Some of them, they're manifesting. Okay? They're waiting. So, there. Next. Leo. Leo placements. Leo placements. What is your person's feelings, emotions, thoughts this coming week pagdating sa'yo? Oh my. Oh my. Leo. Yung person ng Leo, anong emotion mo for Leo? Sino ba to? Sino to? Anong meron sa kanya? Okay, the Hanged Man in reverse. Could be a Pisces. Virgo. The Hermit in reverse. Bigla na lang itong nawalang parang bula, Leo. Biglang nag-step back. Hang on. Tayo magkape ng kaunti. Yeah, nag-step back siya, ginost ka. May chance. Some of them, they're acting single. They acted single, maybe. Inconsistent pagdating rin sa communication. What's with their feelings? Anong meron? Feelings, emotions pagdating sa iyo, Leo. Some of you, wala ka nang naririnig from them. Yun nga pwedeng ginost ka. Really? The 7 of Cups in reverse. Kapal ng mukha na ito, Leo. The Sun, that's you. That's your energy. Alam mo, napaka-imbalance ang nakukuha ko dito. They're black, you're white. You're white, you're white, they're black. Parang ganyan. There's difference. There's imbalance. No, pagdating dito. Gusto nilang bumalik, makipag-usap sa'yo. Like, parang walang nangyari na pang-ghost. Yes. Kaya nga sabi ko, ang kapal ng mukha nito, Oo. Parang hindi sila natatakot sa pwede mong sabihin sa kanila, Leo. See? The Magician in reversed. That's communication. They're manifesting. Kung hindi pa sila totally ready na gumawa ng action about pakikipag-connect, they're manifesting it. Yeah. Some of them, they're still holding back, planning. Yeah, there's blockages here. Alam nila na may blockage dito. Yeah. I don't know kung anong sasabihin nito. Yun nga, pwedeng yung parang walang nangyari. Yeah. Are you ready, Leo? Are you ready for this? Here they come. Here they come again. Are you ready? Yung nang-go sa'yo, babalik. Or sabihin nating magpaparamdam next week. That's specific. May makaka-resonate niyan. Kasi may magpaparamdam na ng ghost sa'yo. Next week. Yeah. Okay. So, are you ready? O, diba? Next is Virgo. Hi, Virgo. Let's see. Your person's emotion, feelings, thoughts. Inaantok ako. So, anong meron? Sino ba ito, Virgo? Anong meron sa kanya? 10 of Swords. Endings. Some of them, they already, binackstab ka. Nabackstab ka na nitong taong to, Virgo. The King of Swords. Parang lagi siya yung tama. Wala ka nang ginawang tama dito. Parang siya lang lagi. Matalino siya, actually. Matalino. Okay? Hindi mo ito mapapasunod. Hindi mo makokontrol. Okay? Pwede may nangyaring separation na sa inyo. They're cold, distant, acting, sabihin nating, avoidant. Let's see. What is their emotion right now? Their emotion. Okay. Not putting effort, no focus. Yeah. Earth. Yeah, Earth sign. 8 of Pentacles in reverse. Galing. Ang galing niya. They are like, sabihin nating, having mind games, head games. They will try to sneak back, I think. They will like act na parang walang pakialam dito sa nangyayari. Pero actually, nandiyan yung mga pagmamasid-masid niya na ginagawa. Hindi malabong nag-i-stalk sa'yo to, Virgo. Yes. Hindi malabong iya. The 8 of Cups in reverse. So, nandyan pa rin yung energy. Anong meron? Nahantok ako, grabe. Yeah. They will give you mixed signals, drama. Yes. Ako yung tama dito, Virgo, ha? Kaya yung mga sinasabi ko, papakinggan mo. ganun yung narinig ko sa kanya. Oo. Yung parang, yeah, okay, magme-message siya sa'yo. No emotions, like nonchalant. Parang ganyan. Napaka-blunt. Wala man lang ka-sweet-sweet. Parang ganon. I don't know kung para saan yun. So, siguro, they will reach out. Yeah, nandyan yung separation. They will reach you out by next week. Pero ipapakita niyang hindi siya para makipag-ayos. Maybe, hindi ko alam kung bakit niya gagawin yung parang magme-message siya nang wala lang. Some of you, parang ipapakita niya is, okay, ayoko na talaga nito. Kahit hindi mo tinatanong, ayoko na talaga ng ganito, ganto, ganyan. Gusto lang nila ikaw na parang i-confused. Actually, they still gusto pa rin nila tong connection na to. Yeah. Matigas lang siya kuno. Okay? So, there. Next. Hang on, tayo magkape ulit. Sandali lang. Next is Libra. Libra placements. Emotion ni person. Emotion ni person mo sa'yo ngayong week. Let's see. Sino ba ito, Libra? Sino to? Libra. Six of Cups. Could be could be an ex. Yeah. What's with the Six of Cups? Yeah, the Page of Swords. Some of you, meron ako dito nakukuha itong taong to. They are like creating a connection with you, or maybe they want to connect. Okay? Pwedeng nakakausap mo siya ngayon. If this is a past person na hindi nakikipag-usap sa'yo, may chance na sila ay nag-i-stalk sa'yo ngayon, or maybe you're the one stalking them. Okay? Halo-halo yung energy dito, Libra. May chance na hindi lang isa yung nakaka-deal mo. Some of you are dealing with sabihin nating ilan. May ilang energy dito eh. Yung iba nakakasama mo. They're into you, they like you. Nakakausap mo. Nasa friends, circle of friends. Nakakamoy ako ng kikiam. Hindi ko alam bakit. I don't know. Maybe favorite mo yung kikiam, no? This person, sabihin natin, nakakita siya ng potential na maging kakonect ka. Or maybe ikaw ito nakakita ng potential na magkaroon kayo ng connection. Or, let's see, ano emotion niya ngayon. The Sun in reversed. Why? Kung hindi ka nakikita ng taong to, nalulungkot siya actually. Kung hindi ka nakakasama, nalulungkot siya. Yeah, gusto ka lagi nito nakikita, nakakasama, nakakausap. If this is a past person, they miss you a lot. They're sad. Gusto ka niya makita, gusto magkaroon ng reconciliation sa inyong dalawa. Ikaw pa rin ang gusto ko, Libra. Ayoko ng iba. Ayoko ng parang magsisimula na naman ako sa zero. Parang ganyan. Marami ang gustong kumonek sa'yo, Libra. Marami. Yeah, see, the Three of Pentacles. Pwedeng nakakasama mo sa work or sa school. Doon sa sabihin nating pinupuntahan nyo same environment. Like that. Okay? May mga nagtatago ng totoong emosyon. Yes. Yep. Okay? So, sandali lang po, ha? Okay, next. Scorpio. Hi, Scorpio. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Scorpio placements. Your person's emotion this coming week. Pagdating sa'yo. Sino ba ito, Scorpio? Anong meron sa kanya? Who is this person? The Queen of Pentacles. A giver. Apo. Oh, a giver. Mother figure or father figure. They're too open. What's with the Queen of Pentacles? Ah, the Chariot in reversed. Nahihirapan kang alisan to, no? Parang hirap ka kapag wala siya. You need them. Lagi mo siyang iniisip. So, anong meron? Feelings niya for you. Let's see. What is their feelings? Could be a Cancerian or an earth sign. Feelings niya for you, Scorpio. Okay, they're trying to avoid you, hide from you. Why? They're like, pagod. They can't trust you like that. Bakit? 9 of Wands. Feeling nito, lumalayo ka sa kanya. I don't know why. Or kailangan niyang lumayo sa'yo. Like that. Kailangan niyang makalayo. Nahihirapan to ngayon, Scorpio. Hirap siya. Hirap mag-move on. Hirap mag-focus. Ang daming isipin. Like, physically, mentally tired. Drained. See? The Ace of Swords in reverse. Hirap to. Hirap mag-isip. Yeah. Pero gusto niyang mawala yun. Gusto niyang mawala. I'm hearing pwedeng na trauma to sa nangyaring connection nyo. That is why they're trying to avoid na lang this connection. Para siyang nagbigay. Okay, this is sabihin natin pwedeng vice versa or flip yung energies. Yeah. Nagbigay, na trauma to. Napagod. Gusto na lang talaga is makaalis or makarelease dito sa connection nyo na to. Hindi sila makamove on pa. Actually, they're so tired, so drained. See, the Page of Swords. Some of you pwedeng same gender kayo ni person. Humahanap to ng paraan para makaiwas sa'yo. Sa totoo lang. Kasi nandun pa rin, like soft spot. Pagdating sa'yo, it's like, kapag nandyan ka, ang hirap mong tanggihan rin. Parang ganun. Lagi siyang nagiging open or welcome. Lagi ka nagiging welcome dito sa taong to. Kahit sabihin nating napagod. Na-drain. Itong taong to, in general. They're always, open pagdating sa'yo. Humahanap na to, like tinutulungan na niya yung sarili niya. Makahanap ng dahilan para umalis or makatakas na dito sa connection na to. Energetically, maybe. Okay? They're too, too kind. Yeah. I'm sorry kung hindi kind yung person mo. No? Pero ang nakukuha ko dito, napakabait nitong taong to. Yes. Okay? Next. Sagittarius. Feelings ng person mo ngayong week pagdating sa'yo, Sag. Sino ba to? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron? Ano ba yan? Oo. One more. Okay. Who is this person, Sag? The Page of Wands could be younger. Could be a fire sign for some of you. Like you, fellow fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag. The Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, the Fool. So, ito yung taong parang wala pang wala pang direction. Excuse me. Parang YOLO. You only live once. Parang ganyan. King of Cups, the Four of Swords in reverse. Some of you, this is a new person. Yeah, a new person. Pero hindi mo pa magawang magtiwala, no? Tingnan natin. Anong meron? Anong emosyon niya? Yan, tingnan natin anong emosyon ng taong sa'yo. The Five of Swords in reverse. Alam mo, Saj, kung ano yung pinapakita sa'yo nito, yun na yun. Okay? Yun na yun. Yes. Kung ano una pumasok sa isip mo, pagdating sa kanya, pagdating sa mga pinapakita, sa mga sinasabi, sa action, yun na yun. Yeah. Hindi lang marunong itong taong ito. They like you actually. They like you. They really like you. May potential ito Saj. May potential na maging strong connection or sabihin natin magkaroon ng long-term connection with this person, I think. Hindi ito yung taong pipilitin yung mga bagay-bagay kahit hindi pa dapat or hindi siya ganun hindi siya ganun na parang ayaw niya ng stress. Okay? Ayaw niya ng stress. Ayaw niya ng pipilitin ka. Parang ganyan. They're like so maluwag. Okay? Oo, maluwag. Hindi sila okay? Iba yung iniisip niya. Tigilan niyo muna. Tigilan niyo. Okay? So no time for no time for BS tong taong to. Kahit sabihin nating younger or maybe they act young, they're genuine. Actually, they're genuine. See? They want fairness. Itong taong to willing tong matuto sa'yo. Open siya. Yeah. Hindi ka niyan pipilitin kung ayaw mo. Ayaw niya ng stress actually. So, magkakaroon ng magandang flow itong connection. Being the Ace of Pentacles is here, kahit sabihin natin medyo may pagkamabagal, no? Yung daloy nitong connection na to. Maganda naman sa patibay. Parang ganun. Yeah, they like you a lot. Kailan kita na reading ng ganun, Saj? Wait lang, iinom lang ako habang hinahanap mo, habang inaalala mo, kailan kita ni reading ng maganda. Kailan? Oo. Okay. Comment down below. Oo. Next! Capricorns. Hi, Capricorn. Ayan, let's see your person's emotion ngayong week. Oo. Kamusta na mga Capricorns? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Capricorn placements, your person's emotion this week for you. Let's see. Who is this? The Two of Swords in reverse. They're open. Oh, the world. They like you. Ay, crush ka. They like you. Crush ka niya itong taong to. Open ka rin naman for them, actually. This is the world from universe, I think. Sabihin natin, basta galing kay universe. Oo, basta sabihin natin gawa ni universe itong connection na to, hindi ito mapapariwara. I mean, kung hindi man kayo mag-click, no? May matututunan ka sa connection na to kung hindi man kayo maging kayo whatsoever. Okay? They like you. Oh my. They're just hiding the truth. Yes. Okay, we have here fixed signs. Leo, Scorpio, Taurus, and Aqua. Mali-mali yung turo ko. Pero yun yung mga zodiac signs, ha? So, meron ding air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, what is their emotion? O, diba? Na-excite ako para sa inyo, mga Capricorn. Yeah! Anong emosyon ng taong to? For you. Ay, they want this. They want this. If this is a past person, they want a new beginning. They want another chance with you. Yeah, hirap sila pag wala ka, Capricorn. Okay, what is that? Six of Pentacles. As their emotions or feelings. The moon in... Oh, pagiging open. They want to be open. No, they want to... Not close. Hindi. Ang nakukuha ko dito, gusto nitong magkakilanlan pa kayo ng mas maigi. Opo. You're in their head. Yeah, you're in their head. Some of them, nandyan yung fantasizing or maybe ikaw yung huling tao na nasa isip niya bago siya matulog. Like that. Bago siya magising, ikaw agad yung maiisip. Yeah, ito again siya. The Page of Cups. They like you. Secret lang yung iba. Yeah, they like you. Gusto nito magkaroon ng mutual understanding sa inyong dalawa because yes, they like you. 'Di ba? Parang decoding someone's emotion. Yung ating yung ating reading. Oo. Decoding. Let's decode. Oh, 'di ba? Ganda. Same, the Knight of Cups. They want you. Here they come. Here they come. They're open. Again, Page of Pentacles in reverse naman. So, yeah, I don't know if isa ba or dalawa. Kasi meron ding Two of Swords dito. So, maybe there's options or sabihin natin there's this several. Oo. Na pwedeng nagkakagusto sa'yo. They're into you. They're like crashing on you. Pero, hindi ko alam kung gusto lang maging open sa'yo, magkaroon ng communication, magkapalagayan ng loob, mga ganyang bagay pa. Okay, next, Aqua. Aquarius placements, your person's emotion this week. Let's see. Your person's emotion. The person on your mind. Oh. Tingnan natin. Who is this, Aqua? Some of you could be, might be dealing with a Virgo. Or a Virgo, Taurus, and Libra. So, anong meron sa taong to, Aqua? Oh. Chararan! Okay. Three of Swords. May separation ba? Breakups. Third party involvement. Ano tong Three of Swords? The Hangman. No contact. Ayun na naman tayo. Ayun na naman tayo nga pala. Si Aqua ka nga pala. Oo. Aquarius Saga. The no contact. The never ending. No contact. Oo, diba? Oo. No actions. They're always thinking of you. Day and night. O, diba? Para tayong nagbabasa na lamang, ng alam mo na yung mangyayari. No? Yung barahan natin, paano gagawin natin? Ito ang nalabas sa iyo. Nang ilang lumabas to, tong Three of Swords, simula kanina. Bentang-benta sa'yo to. No? Oo, yung ating Three of Swords na yan. Oo. Communication is not good. Little to no communication. Could be a Pisces. They're thinking of you. Waiting game. Oh, the waiting game is killing me. Like that. May mga ganyan. Head games, mind games. It's killing you both. Bahala kayo. Tingnan natin. Ano ba yan? Sabi ng iba. Ano ba yan? Wala naman tayong mahihita kay madam. Di naman. Oo, tingnan natin. Sige. Ano bang emosyon ng taong to? They're in pain. They're like waiting in vain. O, diba? Magka-rhyme. Oops. Some of you, pinasa ka nito eh. Okay, holding back. Alam na natin, oo, yung energy. The Four of Pentacles, their emotions are like holding back their emotions. Yes. Talagang mag-hold back ako kasi wala kami. Walang patutunguhan to kung ako yung magsasalita man. Walang mangyayari, hindi ako papakinggan ni Aqua. Parang ganun. Mas mabuti lang talaga na tayo magpaka-single na lang muna sa isa't isa. Parang ganyan. At mag-focus, no? Sa kung ano-ano mang pwedeng mangyari pa sa buhay natin aside sa talaga namang waiting game na ito. Parang ganun yung nararamdaman ng person mo, Aqua. O, diba? Yeah. They're not open. Closed off. Holding back. Pero the separation or the no contact is talaga naman niyayakap siya ng matindihan. Yeah, hindi siya makawala. Oh, di ba? So there, mahirap yung kanyang situation sa ngayon, lalo na nga separation, no contact, patigasan kayo, bahala kayo. Oo, magbabasa lang naman ako para sa inyo. Diba? Next! Pisces. Hi, Pisces. Hello. Pansin ko lang, every time, no, na ako ay mag-reread, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio. Yan. Hanggang dyan, sabihin natin yung energy ko sabihin nating serious. Hindi ko malaman ano bang meron sa followers natin mula kay Capricorn or Sagittarius hanggang sa'yo, Pisces. Hindi ko malaman. Oo, hindi ko malaman bakit ganito. Nag-iiba. Oo, nag-iiba yung aking damdamin. Talaga, sabi ng iba. Oh, enough with the talking. Oh, let's start the reading. Oh, 'di ba? Okay. Hiyang-hiya naman. Pisces. Sino to? Tingnan natin. Sino to? Okay. The Seven of Pentacles. They're putting sabihin nating something sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Ooh! Okay. A past person, Pisces. Opo, a past person. Guarded. But yes, they're just waiting or maybe invested pa rin. They're waiting for you. They miss you. This is a past person. The Fool. Pwedeng naghihintay ito sa kung ano man pwedeng mangyari sa inyo. Yeah. May pagkaano yung person mo, ma-pride, ma-ego. Yeah. Kung hindi siya yung nagtatapon ng energy dito sa connection nyo, kahit wala, pwedeng ikaw, Pisces. So let's see what is their emotion right now for this week. Their emotion. The Queen of Pentacles, they're saying no. Yeah, it's saying no. No. Having healthy boundaries, maybe. Having boundaries. Yeah, they're guarded. Oops, but yes, they're stalking you. They're keeping tabs on you. Yes, the Ace of Wands in the reversed. Two of Swords. Tinitingnan nitong taong to kung ano bang meron sa'yo sa ngayon. Yeah, tinitingnan niya kung anong meron. Yeah, the Sun in reverse. Pwede kasing meron na siyang mga hindi nalalaman and andun yung parang pag-i-spy, pag-i-stalk, pagtitingin kung anong meron sa iyo sa ngayon. They're like curious. Okay? But yes, they're like closed off or trying to be avoidant, parang ganyan. Yeah, not available. Pero yung curiosity ng person is nandyan. Yeah. Sabi ko nga, they miss you. Yep. So there. Yun ang aking reading for you. Yeah, all signs again. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye. And yeah, yung ating second channel na Love Letter, second YouTube channel. Love Letter is nasa description box, nasa ilalim po. Pakitingnan na lang, pakiclick, and yeah, madadirect na kayo dun sa ating second YouTube channel. So again, thank you. Goodbye.